Welcome to the Interactive Yard. This is a brief tutorial to help you navigate through the Interactive Yard, which was designed to help you learn some basic concepts behind converting a typical lawn-dominated property into one that is a Jersey-friendly yard. So it's pretty easy. What you'll be doing is using these tabs over here on the right to navigate through the section, starting from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And you'll be doing a couple of things. In some cases, you'll actually be removing some items from the yard. In this case, the impervious surface, which include the driveway and the sidewalk here. So in order to remove the driveway, you will click on the X, and it will automatically remove it. You will then, in this case, later be replacing it with a new pervious surface, one that allows rainwater to soak into the ground rather than running off into the street. So you'll be clicking on the little plus signs here if you'd like to read more about pervious surfaces. You can click on the title over here, or you can actually click on the feature here in the illustration to get the detail screen. So largely what you'll be doing in this case will be actually adding beds to the yard in which you can plant with native plants or plant species that attract pollinators such as butterflies and honeybees. So as you saw, I clicked on the bed itself and it automatically added it to the yard. So once you have the bed added to the yard, you'll then be clicking on the plants to actually plant the bed. And again, you can click on each plant to learn more about that plant, or you can click on the headline or the letter I to learn more about the plant. So as you move through this process, you'll be adding these beds, which as you can see are reducing your lawn areas, and that's an important part of creating a Jersey-friendly yard. There are some other features here, such as adding a rain garden, so you can click on the rain garden feature. In this case, we're going to click here, click the plus button, and it adds an outline for the rain garden. And then you can add plants that are appropriate for rain gardens. And again, you can click on the title to learn more about that plant. These plants can also be found in the plant database if you'd like to learn more about those. So again, as you go through the yard, in this case, we're suggesting that a vegetable garden is also a good part of a Jersey-friendly landscape, because not only can you grow your own vegetables, which is always good, but you're also minimizing or reducing an area of space in your yard that's actually devoted to lawn. And as you go through the landscape, you'll see as you add beds, you're transforming the overall look and impact of your lawn. And you should use this to gain ideas for not necessarily converting your entire property, because that can be a large undertaking for some people, but you can certainly look at parts of your property and learn how you can transform a space by adding a new planted bed. Now in this case of the tutorial here, or the interactive yard, once you get to the end, you also have a view of what the yard looked like, prior to converting it to a Jersey-friendly landscape. There are before and after photos here, and I'll just click on one of those real quick. So you see the front yard before, right? Before it was planted with beds, and then the front yard after. So we hope this tutorial has been helpful. We hope you have fun with it, and we hope you learn something in the process that you can apply to your own landscape. Thank you.